Welcome to a new video. In this video, I will introduce you to Moodle Mashov's purpose-built editor known as Atto. In many places in Moodle where you can type in text, you will see Moodle's editor known as Atto. In order to introduce you to this text editor, I have already clicked on Turn Editing On. Notice that if I click Turn Editing Off, I will not be able to add any activity or resource, which is what will allow me to show you what the editor is. Let's get to know a little bit about icons in Moodle. First of all, you have the icons that introduce activities or resources. The rich editor appears in many of these activities or resources. So to show you one, I will click on Page. Notice that when I click on Page, I get this screen. This is the screen where I will add information concerning the page, the Moodle page that I am uploading. But what I would like to do on this video is to introduce you to this editor. This is the editor that you will see when you access lots of different places in Moodle where you can upload text, images, and more. You usually get one line, but you can enlarge it by clicking on this icon. Notice that on a Moodle page, there are two editors. The first one is for you to provide a description that you may or may not want to upload on the course page, whereas the second is actually the content that you will upload on this page. Let's see the icons. First of all, you have the font, the size, font size, and notice that it can be very small or very large. The paragraph styles, bold, italics, colors for the fonts, colors for the background. You may want to add an emoticon, a smiley, for example. Lists that you may want to provide. You may want to add a link or perhaps unlink something. This icon will give you the possibility of inserting or editing an image. You may want to insert or edit an audio or video file, though I would advise you to upload any video file on YouTube and then upload a link to that video. You can manage files, you can underline, and there are a few more icons that may be useful for mathematics teachers. Notice that you may align your text to the left, to the center, or to the right. You may want to add a table. And this is a very important icon, the accessibility checker, which I will discuss in another video. If you are familiar with HTML, this icon is important because you will be able to work on the HTML of the page if you want to. But since this video is aimed at mostly at teachers who probably are not familiar with HTML, I will not deal with that on this video. Thanks very much for your time and goodbye.